Step by step, I've walked 100 miles and I still ain't sure just what I'm trying so hard to find. The night seems longer and the wind blows louder when you wandered so far from home. If I cross your mind, say a prayer.
Hello and welcome to all of you. Welcome to Born Free on Two Wheels. It is summer, it is sunny, it's time to fix the bikes. So today we are in the garage to take care of the big BMW R1150 and change the oil on the gearbox. That's also something you can do yourself. Let's get down in the garage. Okay, my friends, welcome in the garage. We use Motul gear. What does it call this one? 7540. It still live up to everything what the fabric in BMW will say, BMW in English. But because here is so hot in the summer in Spain, we use this one. It gives a better protection in the heat. That's why. Otherwise you can use the same as you put in your final drive. But I prefer this one, and I know many in Spain use it because it is so damn hot sometimes here. So we don't take any chances. What you want to as a use, it's up to you. This is only a recommendation. And we use the chain cleaner to clean all the places where we change everything. And if you don't know so much about anything, but you like to do it yourself, then I can recommend that you buy this one here. I found it in Amazon for a long time ago, and it's a big help. There's standing many good things in it. Let's get to work. So the first one we open is the one up on the top. It's the one we are filling oil in. After we empty oil from down, and that one we also have to have out. Now Zakia, my wife, she go to work. And as always, change the washers that's on, if there is anything on. We have one there.
Yeah.
And I recommend you to use cover washers. This one is not a cover of a washer. So this one I will never recommend you to use. So out with it. Remember to clean everything before you collect it. There can always sit something dirt on them. Well, we have cut a half bottle, a plastic bottle out, and put it on with painting tape, so we don't get oil out on the motorcycle, but so everything run out and directly down in the oil collector. So now Zakia, she open the drain plug so we can get all that old oil out and fill some new fresh into the gearbox. And it's going. Then we can, in some few minutes we can then fill new in again. Now we wait. Something here. Those here, they say they are made for oil. But there is sitting goma, rubber in here, goma, in Spanish, rubber. And by the time with heat and oil, all this, it gets destroyed. So I would not use them. They are bad. They are good in the beginning, and then after they are not so good. So use cover washers as those we have here. So now we begin to close off, and of course you have to put the one down on first, so when you fill oil on it don't run out again. And then right before it starts to tighten, you stop. Up, stop. And key you have to put on 30 and tighten everything. Those two down there with this key here is from the manual BMW, so you don't over tighten anything and destroy your motorcycle. 30. And remember, you only have to say click once or twice, then it is good enough. Okay, it's time to fill new gearbox oil on. And we have to have approximate 800 on until it begins to run the other way. So now we are soon finished. Now there's new fresh oil on. Then we only have to close. So it's pretty cool. We know what is done, and plus we have saved a lot of money. And as you can see, then now it is beginning to there's a run from inside and out. That means it's full. Click, click. Finish. So now we spray with the chain cleaner and dry off, so everything is nice and not any oil anywhere. Then we also don't make the mistake and think it is not closed good enough. Then everything is clean. Yes, it was what we could show you for today. I hope you can use this video and do it yourself and keep your bike running. Then you know what you have done to it, how it is done, and that is much more fun. You know, I will soon be back.
Still ain't sure just what I'm trying so hard to find. The night seems longer and the wind blows louder when you wandered so far from home. If I cross your mind, say a prayer.